In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through the Temu website with a particular focus on managing your shopping cart efficiently. This guide is designed to help you get the most out of your online shopping experience by showing you how to make changes to your cart with ease. So let's get started on this journey to becoming a more effective online shopper. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Temu website. By entering temu.com in the address bar, you'll be directed to the homepage where you can begin exploring the wide array of products they offer. If you're new to online shopping or just browsing, the homepage provides plenty of options and categories to peruse, ensuring you have access to whatever it is that piques your interest today. Once you have identified items you're interested in, it's time to explore your shopping cart. Clicking on the cart icon in the upper right hand of your screen will take you to the cart page, which acts as your holding area for any items you wish to purchase. Here you can review each product you've added, ensuring that everything you want is accounted for. Now, managing your shopping cart is key to keeping your purchases straightforward and organized. If you decide that you no longer want an item you've added to your cart, it's easy to remove it. Simply look for the trash icon or the delete button next to the unwanted item. A single click will remove it from your cart, leaving you with only the products you're still interested in. This feature is particularly useful if you're comparing products or if you've accidentally added something to your cart that you didn't intend to buy. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust the quantity of any product in your cart. If you're buying multiples of an item, say a set of chairs or packs of batteries, just click on the quantity selector next to the product and choose the number you'd like. This is a handy way to ensure you're purchasing exactly what you need without any hassle. After you've made all your desired adjustments, your cart is ready for you to proceed with checkout or to continue shopping if there are more items to browse. Managing your cart effectively means that when you're ready to check out, the process will be straightforward and free of unnecessary surprises. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate Temu and manage your shopping cart with ease. By following these steps, you're on your way to becoming an efficient online shopper, ready to tackle any future shopping missions with confidence. Thanks for tuning in and happy shopping.